Hi, and welcome to this lesson on Agile planning for product development. In the lesson, we examine the 6 levels of Agile planning and briefly consider the actions required at each level. More than 70% of companies in the United States have applied Agile techniques in their management practices. So, understanding the core principles of Agile planning will be invaluable in your career in management. In this lesson, we will ask what is Agile planning and why use it. We will also examine how to plan an Agile project using the 6 levels of Agile planning and review the benefits and challenges of Agile planning. Agile planning is a project management style with an incremental, iterative approach. Agile planning leaves room for requirement changes throughout and relies on constant feedback from end users. In this way, Agile planning aims to deliver value to the customer in small increments rather than in one big bang. When applied to product development, there are 6 levels of Agile planning, including strategy planning, portfolio planning, product planning, release planning, iteration planning, and daily planning. Let's look at each of these in turn. The first level is strategy planning. This level of planning will usually be conducted by the senior leadership team. Here they're defining the overall vision and direction for the organization. Actions required at this level include defining the overarching corporate goals and objectives, identifying market trends and customer needs, formulating a high-level product vision, prioritizing potential initiatives, and aligning with the organization's strategic goals. The next level is portfolio planning. At the next level down, consider how to plan out the portfolio of products or services to achieve the strategy. Actions required at this level include evaluating and selecting strategic initiatives, allocating resources and budget, creating a portfolio backlog, defining success criteria for initiatives, and establishing a governance framework. In the next level, product planning, you plan how the product will evolve and change in the future to meet customer needs and expectations. Actions required at this stage include developing a product roadmap, breaking down initiatives into features or user stories, prioritizing features based on value and risk, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and creating a product backlog. The next level is release planning. This level of planning focuses on delivering a set of features or functionality within a specific timeframe, usually a few months. Actions required at this level include selecting features for the upcoming release, estimating effort and defining release scope, creating a release timeline, allocating resources and defining team responsibilities, and identifying potential risks and mitigation strategies. Level 5, iteration planning, breaks down the release plan into smaller chunks of work, usually a few weeks. Each iteration delivers a potentially shippable product increment. Actions required at this level include reviewing and prioritizing items from the product backlog, selecting items for the current iteration, the sprint, breaking down selected items into tasks, estimating task effort and assigning to team members, and defining a sprint goal and commitment. And the final level is daily planning. This level of planning involves daily meetings or stand-ups where the team members synchronize their work and identify any impediments or issues. Actions required at this level include organizing daily stand-up meetings where each team member provides updates on progress since the last stand-up, plan tasks for the day, and any obstacles or issues. In addition, you will need to facilitate quick problem solving and collaboration, and keeping the team aligned and focused. Using Agile methodology in product development planning brings a number of benefits, including faster delivery of value to the customer and the organization, higher quality of products and services, increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, improved collaboration and communication among team members and stakeholders. And finally, enhanced adaptability and flexibility to changing requirements and market conditions. Equally, there are a number of challenges with Agile planning, including difficulty in estimating time and cost of projects, resistance to change and uncertainty from some team members or stakeholders, the need for constant feedback and involvement from customers and users, the risk of scope creep or loss of focus due to frequent changes, and finally, the requirement for skilled and experienced team members and leaders. Here are some tips for realizing the benefits of Agile in planning and managing product development. First, maintain open and transparent communication among all stakeholders. Second, engage your stakeholders in planning and decision-making to ensure alignment. This will include your teams, your customers, and other groups with vested interests in the business. Third, provide training for your team in Sprint and Scrum techniques and empower them to take decisions and initiate actions. And finally, embrace change. The Agile mindset welcomes new ideas, enables iteration, and supports creativity. We have examined the 6 levels of Agile planning and looked at the typical steps involved in each. We have also seen that there are a number of significant benefits from using the 6 levels in planning, and that equally, there are a number of challenges. Agile planning is particularly suitable for projects that are complex, uncertain, and dynamic. As you will see, it is important to remain adaptable and to promote continuous learning. In the next lessons, we will look at applying Scrum and Sprint techniques in your product development processes.
Want to learn more about this subject? Then click on our website to view the full course. Why not subscribe and get access to free articles and special offers? Join the Global Career Highway now.